Hey everybody, so we're renovating this bathroom and we've installed the sheetrock, and today we're going to teach you how to tape and mud. I'm Dan Frost from H.D.F Painting, the fine art of painting, and this is Talk Shop with Frost. So here are the tools you need for the taping and mudding. You want to get yourself a utility knife. Obviously you want to get the fiberglass tape. Comes in yellow or white. You need a 6-inch blade and a 4-inch blade. We use the USG 3 plus 3 joint compound. It dries fairly quickly. And a bucket of water. Simple as that, you're all set. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do two areas. We're going to do a corner of the sheetrock and we're going to do a flat area. And the first thing you do is you take a little bit of the mud and you put it on that area so the tape has something to stick to. And then you put the tape on, cut it with a utility knife, and you're all set for the first coat. Then you take a little bit of the mud and you put a first coat on with a 6-inch blade, using the other blade to hold the joint compound. And if it gets a little bit dry, you just dip your blade into the water. That's why we have the water. And after that, you're all set. So once the first coat is dried, you want to inspect it a little bit. If it's done really smooth, you don't have to sand it. What you can do is add the second coat and just come out a little bit on the edge there so it's a nice beveled area. And then wait for that to dry. You might have to lightly sand it after that. And then you're ready for priming. And that's basically it for taping and mudding. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button. I'm Dan Frost from H.D.F Painting, the fine art of painting, and this has been Talk Shop with Frost.